to Sally. Handsome Sally, dance on the floor. I love Sally more and more.
Hello everyone, hope you're having a good day today. We're going to do a new story. We're going to try something new out. It's a green screen. Let's see what magic we can create with this new green screen. We have a new story. This one is called A Mammoth in the Fridge. Published by Gecko Press. Written by Michaël, Escoffier and Matthieu Maudet. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. If not, I do sincerely apologize. Anyway, back to this amazing story. A mammoth in the fridge. Dad, there's a mammoth in the fridge. Don't be silly, Noah. Come and eat your chips. Dad, it's true! Look! Ah! Keep away, son. It might bite. Sweetheart, oh, call the fire brigade. Wee wah, 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 wee wah. Morning, man. We're here about the mammoth. Oh, do come in. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoopsies! Catch it quickly. Click, clack, click, clack, click, clack, click, clack, click, clack. Well, what now? Be patient. It will have to come down eventually. We could be here till autumn. Sorry guys, we've got to go. Come on, it's not our problem. Yeah, kitty, 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 kitty. Yeah, kitty, kitty, kitty. Yeah, kitty, kitty, kitty. Look at these yummy carrots. Come on. Up you come. That's it. Come on. Mum and Dad. I'm warning you, this is the last time I'll save you. You'll get us all in trouble with your silly nonsense. The end. Hope you like this story. I have a joke for you now. Are you ready? How do you fit a mammoth into a fridge? Are you ready for the answer? You open the fridge door and you put the mammoth in. Are you ready for another joke? How do you put a giraffe into a fridge? Give up? Well, you open the fridge door, take out the mammoth and put the giraffe in.
Emotional damage.